Hi, I'm BJ with Wicked Osha, and today we're going to learn about the Calendar tab. At the home page, locate the Calendar tab and click it. On the calendar, you'll see all your trainings that you have assigned and any events that you have coming up as well. To view your events, go to the bottom and go View Events, and you'll see a list of all the events. To edit an event, click the pencil, and now you can edit the event. When you're done, click Update Event, and the event is now updated. To add a new event, click Add New, name it, put a date, put a time, location can be central office, address, fill out all this information, and in the comments, you're going to want to put details about the event to let your employees know what's on the agenda. For example, you can say, meeting at the warehouse, bring your iPad. Or you can say, meeting at the central office, please bring your power tools. Fill out the comments and click Add Event. When you go back to the Calendar tab, you'll see your event, Meet at the Warehouse, is now on the calendar, and your employees can click on it and see what time it is, what they got to do, and where it is. Well, that's it for today's Wicked tutorial. Thank you.